marital relationship or love relationship plays a crucial role in our life. Now in DNA we have a aspect when somebody is born under Venus karmic registry, that is Shukra karmic registry, has to go through the suffering due to the life partner or due to the lover, okay, or in general relationships with the opposite gender, they have to suffer through this. But the suffering is different in different cases. We are trying to understand that. 3 nakshatras, namely Ardhra, Chitra and Shravana, these 3 nakshatras carry the karmic effect, the karmic influence of Shukra, Venus. And Shukra, as I told you, governs the love relationships. Okay. Now, as I told you, suffering would be there, but the suffering would vary from this nakshatra to nakshatra. If you're born under Ardhra nakshatra, which falls under Gemini, if your Lagna point or moon or Lagna lord, if it goes in Ardhra nakshatra, so when you approach the marital age, okay, there will be lot of confusion. There will be lot of confusion building up in you. Okay. So like, should we enter into the marital relationship? Should we not? Okay. Even while selecting the partner also, there will be lot of confusion. And from within, you will be burning with desire to get married. But the confusion or the internal conflict would be a reason for you not getting into a marital relationship very soon. That's case number 1. Case number 2 is Chitra nakshatra, okay, which falls under Libra. If your Lagna lord, moon or Lagna point, if it goes in Chitra, so this nakshatra is associated with the story of Ghatotkach and Devyani. Now, for people who are interested, can search it. Ghatotkach and Devyani, okay, the daughter of the son of Jupiter goes to Shukracharya, the demon guru, okay, and Devyani, the daughter of Shukracharya, falls in love with Ghatotkacha. But the story follows that there's a lot of conflict between them. There's a lot of curses which go around. So in Chitra nakshatra, one peculiar thing one might observe, like if the partners, marital partners, are sitting under one roof, one single roof, there will be a lot of fights. There will be a lot of combats, one-on-one, like the house would blast into pieces.